In this video, I'll show you how to add an admin to an Instagram business account. It's a simple process, but there are a few steps you need to follow carefully, so let's go through it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. These steps work on both iPhone and Android devices. Once you're inside the app, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, you should see the professional dashboard. This is very important because your account needs to be either a business or creator account to add another admin. If you don't see the professional dashboard, you'll need to switch your personal account to a business account. You can do this by going to Settings, then Account, and selecting Switch to Professional Account. Once your account is ready, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Inside, you'll see options for professional tools and business controls. Scroll down carefully until you find Connect a Facebook page. Tap on this option. Now, here's a key point. Instagram does not allow you to add an admin directly. Instead, you need to link a Facebook page to your Instagram account. By connecting the page, any admins you manage on Facebook can also be given access to Instagram. This allows you to add, remove, or control permissions for multiple team members without needing to share your login details. Tap Continue and follow the steps to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page. After successfully connecting your Instagram account, open the Facebook app, tap the menu at the bottom right, then switch to the specific Facebook page you linked. Once you are on that page, tap the three dots at the top right, then select Page Options. Next, tap Menu at the bottom right, then tap the gear icon at the top right to enter Page Settings. Scroll down to the Page Access section under the New Pages Experience. This section shows everyone who currently has access to the page. To add a new admin, tap Add New at the top right, then tap Next. Search for the person you want to give access to, select their name, and hit Give Access. Once you do this, they will automatically gain access to the connected Instagram account as well. Adding an admin this way is very flexible. You can assign different roles depending on what you want them to manage. For example, you can let someone post content, respond to messages, manage comments, or run ads. You can also remove access whenever necessary, which is great for keeping your account secure and organized. Using the Facebook page connection ensures that you can safely collaborate with your team without sharing your personal Instagram login. It also allows multiple people to manage both Instagram and Facebook efficiently, which is especially helpful for businesses or creator accounts that post regularly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily add an admin to your Instagram business account, manage your team, and make sure your account stays secure and organized.